In today's video, I'll show you how to fix changes not saving in Webflow. If your edits aren't saving, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Webflow relies on a stable connection, and if your browser loses internet, the save icon turns red to indicate changes can't be saved. Make sure your connection is strong and stable. Next, check your browser version. Webflow supports the latest 3 major versions of modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari, so ensure you're using an up-to-date version for smooth performance. Finally, review your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Webflow's performance. Try opening Webflow in an incognito or private window. If it works better there, one or more extensions may be causing the problem. Identify and disable or remove any conflicting extensions while working on your site. And that's it. That's how you fix changes not saving in Webflow.